Hi, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I talked all about this beauty right here. This is Intensecafe by Montale. So you saw my first impressions. If you haven't seen it yet, I will link it up here or down below for you guys. And I talked all about this amazing fragrance. So my first impressions, you saw that I liked it. I tested it on a strip of paper as well as on my skin. The results were very, very different. On the strip of paper, it was all rose, an amazing rose, I might add. And on my skin, it was definitely more gourmand, more coffee based, and that is where we ended up the last time. I was gonna do a full day wear test, but of course, true to form, I am super impatient and I want to really dive deep into this fragrance, so I'm doing a 2-day wear test. Today is Sunday, December 6th. It is like 10:45 a.m. I have to go run a couple errands, and I have decided to add today as well as tomorrow in it, so you get a full, concise review. So yeah, in case you're not familiar, this is what it looks like. I am currently filming in my room because we have amazing sunlight and there's nothing better than natural lighting. I will tell you guys a couple of things that I thought about after the video was over. I love everything on the physical end. As much as I like the bottle, the one thing I don't like, because of how opaque this is, this can, I cannot see the liquid, I cannot see the juice. And so this is the one thing I do not like about it, because someone can sell you an empty can of perfume and you would not know because you cannot see it, you know? So after thinking about that, I was like, you know what? There's something I don't like about it. I don't like that I cannot see it. But anyway, other than that, I still think it's adorable. You all saw me spray the scent on my hand. And guys, spoiler alert, I can already tell you, I can still smell it. Of course, now it has settled down a lot, but I can still detect it on my skin, and that was last night. It has been on my skin for a long time. I slept through the night, woke up, I can still detect it on my skin. So that says a lot. We will see throughout the day when I go outdoors, when I'm at work tomorrow, we will see how that really shapes up. But I'm feeling really positive about it. So I'm gonna jump in the shower because I haven't taken a shower yet. I just wanted to start my day with you guys. See, the dedication is real over here. So gonna jump in the shower, gonna put this baby on. The next time you see me, I might be in the car, I might be somewhere running errands, but I will check in with you guys. This is Intensecafe by Montale, and so far she has my attention. She definitely does. And the bag is just precious, y'all. I could literally collect these as a collector's item. It's so cute. Anyway, I'll see you guys shortly. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:26 p.m.
Hi guys, I'm about to head out. I'm just going to apply this on and let it do its magic, and we will see how the day goes. A little bit on my clothes. I got the coffee, I get the rose, all of it together. So far so good, and I think I'm liking this more and more. The more I spray it, the more I try it and smell it, I think I like it more. So there's that. All right, I will see you guys in a few hours, and we'll be talking a little bit more about this. See you soon. All right guys, I have had the fragrance on for a little bit, and so far I love it on me, especially while I'm walking around and moving around. I'm just wrapped up in a beautiful caffeine rose induced bubble, so I am liking it so far. I haven't gotten any compliments, which is neither here nor there. It's warm and comforting, and like I said, I feel like it's something that I could drink. So yeah, I like it a lot. I will not do as many check-ins as I normally do, just because I am still gonna do it tomorrow, and I do not want this video to be too long. So yeah, so far walking around, every move I make, I smell a good whiff of it. So there's projection as far as that goes, but Nobody has given me compliments, and I'm not sure about the sillage because, like, yeah. But so far, so good. So I will check in with you guys before the end of the day and let you all know what day one was like for me. Hey guys, so it is currently 9:47 p.m. and this is my final check-in for today, Sunday, December 6th. So I went out, I ran a couple errands, I actually filmed the video. That is why my face is looking different than you saw it earlier, because I had no makeup on. I did a Bath and Body haul. In case you guys haven't seen it, I will link the video down below for y'all. So when I first applied this, it was about noon. I'm gonna say that Montale Intensecafe is a very beautiful fragrance. I've worn so many fragrances that I feel like I have other fragrances in my collection that actually last a little longer than this one. For example, my Coco Mademoiselle honestly lasts forever and a day. My Oud Bouquet lasts forever and a day. So this one has good staying power. I mean, it's almost 10 hours later. There's a faint trace of the scent on my skin, not as powerful as it was, at first spray upon first application. There are not many perfumes that will last exactly as you spray it from the start to finish. They eventually dry down to something that's softer, less potent. So this is very beautiful. Happy to have it. I will do day 2 tomorrow, probably with less check-ins, probably just 2 check-ins to just wrap it up, kind of like at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day. Ooh, actually, I do not like the sprayer. I do not like the sprayer. The sprayer is very intense. I don't know if it's mine or if it's just overall. I have bottles in my collection with way more impressive sprayers that cost way less, by the way. So yeah, the atomizer is not it. It's not it. It's like very harsh, like it shoots out at you. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty though. I'm liking the scent. No complaints from me. I honestly have zero problems reapplying fragrances. I have said this many times and I like it. I am very happy to have it, to add it to my collection. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's kind of late. I need to get some rest, which I don't know how to do because I can never fall asleep. Anyway, that's a whole different story. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday, December 7th. All right, have a good night and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Monday, December 7th, and I am getting ready for work. Need to get out of here, so we're gonna stay to our mission, applying Montale. It is very cold today, so I'm kind of excited to try this while I'm at work in much cooler temperatures. So I'm gonna keep the fragrance in my purse. I will say that since I've been trying it, I have not reapplied, so that's really good. And last night I felt like whenever it settled on my skin, I definitely detected the vanilla. At first I was just like, it was rose, it was coffee, and the vanilla wasn't so present for me, but I feel like I can finally detect it. So that's pretty good. Anyway, I will check in with you guys a little bit later. I just wanted to pop in this morning and continue the mission at hand. So have a great morning and I will see you guys soon. Hi guys, I am doing a 4-hour check-in. I have the beautiful Jessica here. She hugged me earlier and that was the first unsolicited compliment that I got. So she's like, you smell good. So tell them what you thought when you smelled it.
She just smelled really good. The smell is nice and warm and has like a floral accent to it.
So she basically hit the nail on the head because it is a coffee rose fragrance. Yeah. So so I spread some on her wrist. What do you think about it?
I think
It's the same thing on you?
It's the same. I mean, it's slightly different just because I feel like they're different on
everybody.
But it's still the same warm floral. I love it.
Oh, well, she loves it, y'all. Well, she likes coffee anyway, so I'm not surprised that she does. But she's right, like it reacts differently. So in a few hours, I'm gonna come back and smell her wrist to see like if it smells the same or different. But yeah, thank you so much for
Yes,
sharing your thoughts.
anytime. Yes.
Okay,
Thank
see you guys soon.
Bye.
So I am here with Cleo, and he's gonna sniff my perfume and tell me what he thinks. So give me your thoughts about what I'm wearing.
Yes.
What do you think about it?
It just gave me something to love for the rest of the day.
Okay. So you like it because it's like good for the rest of the day?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll refer it to anybody.
Oh, you'd refer it to and you'd recommend it?
Yes, I would
Okay.
recommend
Okay.
it.
Because do you think it's very feminine or just very neutral?
I think it could be neutral though.
Okay. Yeah, I agree. You could wear this. You could pull it off.
I done pulled off a lot of stuff that's like that.
Okay. Cool.
I think
Because it's I think it is advertised as unisex anyway.
Yeah, but I would definitely recommend that to people to buy.
It costs $170.
170. Okay.
But I got it for cheaper and I have the plug.
Oh, you know I love the plug. Hello.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi guys. So this is my final check-in for the day. It is currently 4:15, almost 9 hours later since I've had the fragrance on. And you saw my previous check-ins. I checked back in with Jessica that you all saw earlier, and the scent on her was beautiful. And although she had washed her hands like a million times because she's the nurse, she still had a very soft trace of the fragrance hours later. On me personally, it is still very present, not as strong as it was from first spray, but it's still there. I smell the rose, I smell the coffee, I get the warmth of the vanilla. I think it's safe to say that Intensecafe by Montale is a beautiful fragrance, a beautiful warm floral fragrance that I love, and it definitely has that gourmand effect to it. It does not settle very powdery or anything, just a nice warm skin scent towards the end. If I go close enough to anyone, they kind of still smell it. I had multiple comments on it today, so I can conclude by saying that I'm very pleased with the fragrance. So happy to have it, and very, very pleased that it is doing what it claims that it will do. You know, it's beautiful, and you have to be into that type of fragrance to appreciate it. So if you're not into like the coffee notes, that gourmand effect to it, then I definitely would not recommend it. Overall, I think I give it like an A because it lasts pretty long. It projects well. I don't think the sillage is that great. I do not leave a trail. Nobody's coming behind me asking me like, what are you wearing? But if they're in my immediate intimate circle, I feel like they smell it and they can detect it. So it's an A because it projects, it lasts long, it smells great, it is unique to me and not boring, and definitely recommend giving it a try if you're able to get your hands on a sample. I always recommend that you all test it out before investing because every scent is not for everyone, and how it reacts on my skin might not be how it reacts on your skin. That is it for this video. Thank you for hanging in there with me. If you made it to the end, please put a red heart in the comment section. Red is my favorite color, and I will think that you cared about it enough to look at it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.